And today we're playing ragdoll engine or engine. I don't know how to say it. But today me and my sister that that YouTuber of like my second video, I think so, or my first, she was in and we made the obby. And today we're playing ragdoll engine. Oh my god,
Look.
And now I am going to a cannon. Let me see if I can make it off the map, but I don't. Ooh, ooh.
Oh my!
The parachute, I'm gonna miss it. No! No. How am I gonna get up there? Let's show them our the stairs one. You like the stairs one. We laughed so much when I fell the first one. Even on the chat, I think she said. The cannon gave me some things, and I'm gonna show you how we do it. Sis, just calm down. So I'm gonna show you that it's perfecter than hurting on the stairs. Slide time! Woo! Yeah. Ooh. That's what I wish I could spawn somewhere there. Once I try to climb it. Ooh. Don't know how they're gonna climb. What does this dustbin thing do?
I'm coming. Let's go together.
I'm trying to climb.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and climb too.
I'm trying to climb the building.
This girl flew.
How? Comment section down below if you know how to fly on ragdoll engine.
No, it means I got shot.
Oh, now I get it. So don't comment, sorry.
Wait, let's go together.
I'm still.
Me too, I'm still climbing.
Where in the heck are you? I'm not there, the building. I'm climbing.
Oh, that's gonna take you all day.
I wish they made it less. Don't know where you. Oh, that is gonna take me all day, right, guys? This is gonna take a long time.
I'm gonna try and spawn up there again.
10 minutes later. Dang it, I'm still climbing. This is gonna take forever. My hands are already tired. And I don't know what to do. Help, please. Are you gonna climb it or what?
I'll try.
At the top there are pushy people with Robux. I am with Robux. Come on, I just fell when I was I was still making it to the top. That's so sad. Right, sis. So why even you buy things by Robux?
So, you better record your video somewhere else. Because they'll hear me.
Oh, okay.
That's awkward.
So, and I don't know what to do. And we're gonna go to the parachute in 1 minute more. Dang it! Come on, my goodness. on, parachute. Come on, parachute. Dang it. I think that's it for today. Hope I see you in another video. Bye.